Hi everyone, very good evening. Welcome to another video powered by VIP Luxury Lounge Dubai. In this video, we will gonna look at the current Nürburgring Nord's Lifer lap record holder, the mighty Lamborghini Aventador SV Iota. Only 900 units. So Lamborghini is commemorating for this SVJ. This is a beast to see, as you can found from the rear quarter angle. This car is standing in the gorgeous triple layer yellow paint job. It's a 2020 model year, apparently a 0 kilometer one, haven't been used, and this car is available for sale at VIP Luxury Lounge Dubai. This is an insane car to look at, completely different this car looks when you compare it with on the video and on the photographs. This car is simply amazing, quite wide, long, pointy. This car is absolutely stunning. At front you have two nostrils which feeds the air in order to work for the ALAF system, which is the active aerodynamic 2.0, which they introduced first in the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Air can be upsucked in from here and it can be pulled out from here in order to pull the down force, and they have two active flaps at the center of the car in order to make the car quite tighter when turns around the track. We have new style Y-spoke wheels, 20 inches, center lock cap as well, carbon ceramic brakes. The front of the car is just on layer, gloss carbon fiber here, and a plain black, piano black finish right down here. Side air canals, same Lamborghini headlights which they have in the original Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. Please don't mind the background noises. Lamborghini crest. Front hood has been re-engineered to channel the air as efficiently as possible. Carbon blades right here. Rear view mirror is gloss carbon and exposed carbon. Coming down to the side of the car and going towards the back, car becomes wider if you compare it with the front. A massive air intake on the side. This is a definition of side sill. It cleans the air, channels the air to the back very efficiently. So as we have a fixed air intake at the front as well for the rear mounted 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 engine producing 770 horsepower. Coupled with the all-wheel drive system. There you can see Aventador SVJ lettering over here. 21 inches of wheel at the back. SVJ. This is not a decal. This is a paint, and J you will always found in this specific shade of red. This is a carbon air intake. 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 engine can be found at the back of the car. This is the completely new rear deck which cannot be removed by pressing a button in the cabin. It can be removed manually by two latches can be found here. And this wing is a monstrous of a wing, but this wing is out of a purpose. You have a central fin as well, as you can see the ALAF system. This is a decal over here. What this does, air can be fed through here and flows all over the fin of the car, distributes the air throughout the wing and let it out from this exit outlet from on this very huge wing. This is a third braking light. Center exited twin exhaust. So does to found in the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Same tail lights, but looks quite sharper here. Big opening here to exit the hot air. Complete carbon fiber rear diffuser, so sharp, so big, so wide. This car is wide, looks like a spaceship from here. Lamborghini Aventador is approximately 10-year-old car, but it doesn't look that this car has aged a bit. Lamborghini has done a really good job in bettering the car year on year. Let's talk about the LP700. Then they have the SV. Then they introduced the mid-cycle, a facelift in the shape of Lamborghini Aventador S. Then they had this Lamborghini SVJ, probably the last iteration of the Lamborghini Aventador before they will gonna unveil the replacement model out in the Geneva International Motor Show next year. This is the last hurrah. That's the reason these guys have limited this car to just 900 units, and also 63 units are there as well in order to commemorate the 1963 birth year of Lamborghini, the brand. Now they have very kindly given me the key to the Lamborghini Aventador. Now just unlock the car and show you the car from the inside. I mean, this is one of the reasons why we all love Lamborghinis are the scissor doors that goes up. Inside of the door card is your gloss carbon. This is a latch to pull, a strip to pull down the door. Door is really very light, and then we have lock and lock button as well as a rotary up dial for the controls for outside rear view mirror. A smashingly awesome interior in black leather, black Alcantara, and as well as a combination of gloss carbon. Lamborghini Aventador style pack, which gives you the Lamborghini Aventador written on the side sill, brushed carbon, or you can say a dry carbon. This latch to open the door of the car. Leather steering wheel. Upper section and lower section is Alcantara. Piano black, a finish, a multi-purpose steering wheel. They do not have the steering pedal in the gloss carbon. I mean, the independent upshift rod suspension is quite brutal in this car, so as the automated manual of 7 speed single clutch ISR transmission. This is a brutal car to drive, a brutal car to shift. These are the very basic simple aircon vents. This is center console of the car, completely carbon fiber, and from here you can start your engine just like a fighter jet. Now let's talk about the seats of the car. This car is equipped with the comfortable seats. This doesn't have the carbon fiber bucket seat, which is a really good option to equip these seats with the comfortable seats, because the carbon seats of Lamborghini is the stiffest seats you can get in the business. With this car, someone who will gonna buy this car will gonna enjoy the brutality of the car with the comfort of these seats which they provide. It's absolutely stunning. Yellow piping on the center console. The contrasting of yellow with the black leather and black Alcantara is unmatched. Now let's see the interior of the car from the other end. Now let's see the view of the co-driver. A big thanks to VIP Luxury Lounge for giving me a special access to show their vehicles to you guys. I mean, mind blowing. Upper section of the dashboard is Alcantara, lower section is the black leather. I mean, this is a spacious car to sit inside. This car is approximately more than 2 meters wide. There is a electric parking brake, carbon all over the center console. Instrumentation cluster is a bit lacking, but it will gonna change when they introduce the newer and updated model of the Lamborghini Aventador next year in Geneva International Motor Show. I mean, the more I look at it, the more I like it. Lamborghini is a brand, you know, I love to the core, and things that they do doesn't make any sense though, but we all love them. And let's cheers for Lamborghini. for making cars like these. Hope you guys like this video on the Lamborghini Aventador SV Iota. Please share your feedback in the comment section down below and give me some love so that I can make more content like these for you guys. And all thanks to VIP Luxury Lounge, they have hypercar collection like this, and they are allowing me to shoot each and every car in entirety. All the links for the videos would be there in the description box down below. Do subscribe to the channel and give some love to VIP Motors as well. This is me, Paras Arora, signing out from the VIP Luxury Lounge, and I shall see you really very soon with this car. Take care.